Guys, I got it. Yeah. I got
Ayan
it.
na si ate.
I got it. Look at it. Ito po.
Masang ma, may Facebook ka na. Turo mo lang.
Oh my God. Look at it. Look at it. It's so sticky.
Let's get started. May Facebook na si Aisa.
This is the
Sang
inside.
ate May Facebook na si Aisa. Ipagawa mo na kay papa mo.
This is the inside of the I don't know, Japanese pancake or something.
Kapag pagkain talaga si Aisa, walang hihiya, no? Bagay din kaya sa kanyang salamin niya.
Look at it, it's so squishy.
Nakita ko na yung future na siya eh. Tapos yung katabi, pag tumanda, pwede na yung katabi niya. Nakita mo yung...
I love this.
Alin?
Oh, look, I bought it.
Ito naka...
Hindi tumanda, yung katabi niya nakarin. Ayun, medyo may tuto.
One time again, one time. I'm doing the cheese pull again.